Hello everyone, welcome to Ragadri, the Carnatic Music Gateway. Today, we are heading into the 21st episode of the podcast. So before that, let us begin with an amazing quote. The real difficulty is to overcome how you think about yourself. We all have imperfections, and every time we end up comparing ourselves with others. Well, it doesn't work that way, isn't it? Because we are unique and no two persons can be the same. The real power and confidence are the ability to accept that we are enough and that we are beautiful, which requires no further validation or approval from others. The relationship we have with ourselves sets the path to every other relationship we have. So, stop underestimating ourselves and be proud of who we are, rather not ashamed of how the world perceives us. The world has different perceptions about us, like we can be a cool person for some, terrible for another, skinny for some, and fat for others. The world has always an opinion about us, but it's we who got to start building our lives. As we all know, time humbles every person, and we got to give ourselves the time to heal, respond, and learn. That's how we are programmed. On that note, we begin our 21st episode of the podcast with an amazing composition of Muthuswami Dikshidhar, Ramachandraya Namaste, in Raga Todi, set to Mishra Chaputala, which is a tala of 7 beats. The composition is on Lord Rama, who is the 7th avatar of Lord Narayana and also considered as a supreme being. Ramachandra was born to King Dasharatha and Chief Queen Kaushalya in Ayodhya. He was named Rama by sage Vashishta, as he describes that the name Rama consists of 2 bija aksharas, namely Amrita Bija and Agni Bija. Chanting the name Rama gives strength to mind, body, and soul. Lord Rama was born on the 9th day of Chaitra month, which is celebrated as Ramanavami. This year, it falls on the 21st of April. According to the Balakanda section of the Ramayana, Rama had 3 brothers, namely Lakshmana, Bharata, and Shatrughna, and Rama being the elder one. Lord Rama is generally referred to as Gunashilan, meaning the man of virtues. He is portrayed as a polite and virtuous person who helps others. He is well educated and a scholar in Vedas and martial arts. Tulasidasa describes Lord Rama as milder and an introvert in his work named Ramacharita-manas. The Rama Raksha Stotra is a series of hymns in praise of Lord Rama, generally used as a prayer seeking protection from him. The shlokas are written by the sage Buddha Kaushika. It is said that Lord Shiva came in the dreams of the sage and recited all 38 stanzas to him. It is also believed that one who recites the stotram will be protected by Lord Rama against all evils and gives us the knowledge to understand the penultimate truth. Even in this stotram, Buddha Kaushika describes the features of Rama so beautifully in one stanza. I would like to recite this one.
तरुणो रूपसम्पन्नो सुकुमारो महाबलो पुण्डरीकविशालाक्षो चिरकृष्णाजिनाम्बरो रामं दुर्वादलश्यामं पद्माक्षं पीतवाससं स्तुवन्ति नामभिदिव्यैः न ते संसारिणो नरः.
These two stanzas describe the features of Rama, who is of dark complexion, like that of the grass which is green, whose eyes are broad and are like that of a lotus, looks handsome with his yellow colored dress. He is the lord of Manmada, who is clever, pious, and self-controlled. Sage Valmiki mentions that Hanuman has beautifully described Rama as a well-built person of a dark complexion who is charming and has long arms where his middle finger of his hands reaches beyond his knees. In the Sundarakandam section of the Ramayana, when Hanuman went to Lanka in search of Sita, who was kidnapped by the demon Ravana, he described the Lord to convince and prove to Sita that he was indeed Rama's messenger. The 35th Sarga of the Sundarakandam describes Rama in all forms. I would like to recite few stanzas from the Sarga.
Rama Kamalapatraksha Sarvabhutamanohara Rupadakshinya Sampanna Prasuto Janakatmaje Tejasaditya Sankasha Kshamaya Prithvi Samaya Brihaspati Samo Buddhya Yashasa Vasavopamaga.
The stanzas begin with Hanuman describing Rama to Sita, stating that Rama has eyes like that of lotus. He is the most handsome one who captures the heart of all the living beings. He is virtuous, who always helps the needy. His nimbleness is well known to the world, which he acquired by birth. His grandeur is like the sun, his sufferance is like the earth, while his intelligence is like Brihaspati, who is the guru of the Devatas, and his fame is like that of Indra. Coming to the raga, Todi is classical and considered to be a heavy raga in Carnatic music. It is the 8th Melakarta of the 72 Melakarta scale, which forms the second raga in the chakra Netra, which is the second chakra. Because of this, Todi is also called Netra Shri. According to the Dikshidhar school of music, Todi is called Janatodi, and this is a Sampurna raga having all the 7 swaras. The scale is
Sare ga ma pada ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa.
The placement of the swaram is Shadcham, Shuddha Rishabham, Sadharana Gandharam, Shuddha Madhyamam, Panchamam, Shuddha Dhaivatam, and Kaishiki Nishadam. Let's explore the Kriti.
Ramachandraya Namah रामचन्द्राय नमस्ते रामचन्द्राय नमस्ते राजीवलोचनाय वराय रामचन्द्राय नमस्ते राजीवलोचनाय वराय रामचन्द्राय नमस्ते राजीवलोचनाय वराय रामचन्द्राय नमस्ते नमस्ते समगानलोलाय समगानलोलाय साधु जनादिपालाय समगानलोलाय साधु जनादिपालाय समगानलोलाय साधु जनादिपालाय कोमलतर गुरुगुहनुदाय कोटिमार लावण्याय रामचन्द्राय नमस्ते समगानलोलाय साधु जनादिपालाय कोमलतर गुरुगुहनुदाय कोटिमार लावण्याय रामचन्द्राय नमस्ते राजीवलोचनाय वराय रामचन्द्राय नमस्ते नमस्ते दशरथ राजकुमाराय दशरथ राजकुमाराय दण्डकारण्यविहाराय दशरथ राजकुमाराय दण्डकारण्यविहाराय कौशिककृत मकरक्षकाय कनकमणि मालाधराय कौशिककृत मकरक्षकाय कनकमणि मालाधराय दशग्रीवप्राणकराय दशग्रीवप्राणकराय दासविभीषणपालकाय दशग्रीवप्राणकराय दासविभीषणपालकाय कुशलवसीता समेताय कपिवृदादिमनोहराय रामचन्द्राय नमस्ते दशग्रीवप्राणहराय दासविभीषणपालकाय कुशलवसीता समेताय कविवृदादिमनोहराय रामचन्द्राय नमस्ते राजीवलोचनाय वराय रामचन्द्राय नमस्ते नमस्ते
Let's explore the meaning of the composition. Pallavi Ramachandraya Namaste Rajiva Lochanaya Varaya. Meaning, I salute and worship Lord Rama, who has eyes like that of the lotus, and he is the most renowned one. Anupallavi Samagana Lolaya Sadhu Jana Adi Palaya Komalatara Guruguha Nutaya Koti Mara Lavanyaya. Meaning, Lord Rama, who decides to listen to the recitation of Samaveda, is the virtuous one who always helps the needy. He who is worshipped and admired by Guru Guha is the most handsome one, like a crore Manmathas. Charanam Dasharatha Raja Kumaraya Dandakaranya Viharaya Kaushika Krita Maka Rakshakaya Kanakamani Mala Dharaya. Meaning, Lord Rama, who is the son of King Dasharatha, sports in the forest of Dandaka. He protected the sacrifice performed by Vishwamitra and who is bejeweled with gold ornaments studded with precious gems. Dasha Griva Pranaharaya Dhasa Vibhishana Palakaya Kushalava Sita Sametaya Kapi Brindadi Manoharaya. Meaning, Lord Rama, who won the battle against the 10-headed Ravana and protected Vibhishana, who is his servant, is accompanied by Sita, who is none other than goddess Mahalakshmi, and Rama captivates the heart of the monkey's army. Such a beautiful composition, isn't it? This Kriti forms a part of the 4th Vibhakti, and it is said that Muthuswami Dikshidhar had composed around 21 Kritis on Lord Rama. As we have many sages who had written hymns in praise of Lord Rama, we cannot miss the Arvas who have written a lot of hymns on the deity in Tamil. Kulashekara Alvar had written a beautiful lullaby addressing Lord Rama. Kulashekara Alvar was a prince of the Chera dynasty who is also called Mudaliyandan Nambi. He travelled from place to place and sang in praise of Lord Mahavishnu. This lullaby is addressed to Lord Rama of Thirukannapuram temple, which is one among the 108 Divya Desams. Since Lord Rama has been our topic today, it's time that he needs to sleep, right? We'll request Lord Rama to sleep, who is the eminent son of Kaushalya and who won the battle with Ravana and added glory to his parents. So, I would like to present the lullaby written by Kulashekara Alvar.
மண்ணு புகழ் கோசலைத்தன் மணிவயிருவாய் தவனே மண்ணு புகழ் கோசலைத்தன் மணிவயிருவாய் தவனே தென்னிலங்கை கோன்முடிகள் சிந்து வித்தாய் செம்பொன் மண்ணு புகழ் கோசலைத்தன் மணிவயிருவாய் தவனே தென்னிலங்கை கோன்முடிகள் சிந்து வித்தாய் செம்பொன் கண்ணி நன்ம மதில் புடை சூழ் கணபுரத்தன் கருமணியே கண்ணி நன்ம மதில் புடை சூழ் கணபுரத்தன் கருமணியே என்னுடைய இன்னமுதே ராகவனே தாலேலோ கண்ணி நன்ம மதில் புடை சூழ் கணபுரத்த கருமணியே என்னுடைய இன்னமுதே ராகவனே தாலேலோ குங்குமல்லி கருங்குழலாள் கோசலைத்தன் கூலமதலாள் குங்குமல்லி கருங்குழலாள் கோசலைத்தன் கூலமதலாள் தங்கு பெரும் புகழ் ஜனக்கு திருமருகாதாசரத்தியே கங்கையிலும் தீர்த்தமலியே கணபுரத்தின் கருமணியே கங்கையிலும் தீர்த்தமலியே கணபுரத்தின் கருமணியே என்னுடைய நமுதே ராகவனே தாலேலோ கங்கையிலும் தீர்த்தமலியே கணபுரத்தின் கருமணியே என்னுடைய நமுதே ராகவனே தாலேலோ.
With such an amazing lullaby, I guess Lord Rama would have been asleep by now. So, we come to the end of the 21st episode. Stay tuned to Ragadri, the Carnatic Music Gateway. This is Jay Shri signing off. Meet you all in the next episode. Until then, take care.